a small booklet that has been given to all. Please keep your cell phones in silent mode. The booklet contains the biodata of all the speakers. We request all the participants to go through it before the speakers come. Please be punctual for all the sessions. We have a number of items, so management of time, the context of being punctual for all the functions is very crucial for a successful conduct of this youth convention. Please maintain silence and decorum throughout. We are likely to begin our program as scheduled around 9:30 or 9:35. Till then, we wish everyone a very happy and very fruitful participation in the international convention. We shall begin our invocation by monks from the Ramakrishna Order.
शन्नो इंद्रो बृहस्पतिः शन्नो विष्णुरुक्रमः नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वायो त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वामेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति.
Welcome and introduction by Srimad Swami Nikhileshwaranji Maharaj.
नमः श्री यतिराजाय विवेकानंद सूरे सच्चित् सुख स्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे. Respected, most revered Swami Suhitanandaji Maharaj, the General Secretary of the Ramakrishna Mutt and Ramakrishna Mission, Belur Mutt, Howrah, today's chief guest who is going to inaugurate this International Youth Conference, respected Sri Nitin Bhai Patel, Honorable Minister of Finance and other departments of Government of Gujarat, dear Sri Balakrishna Shukla, the Member of Parliament, Sri Bhagyesh Bhai Jha, the Secretary of the Department of Youth, Sports and Cultural Affairs, and also the in charge of the cell specially created by the Gujarat government for celebrating the 150th birth anniversary celebration of Swami Vivekananda. Prabhupada Shuddhatma Prana, who has come all the way from America. At present, she is based at Ridgely Manor, where Swami Vivekananda himself stayed, and attached to our Vedanta Center of Southern California in Hollywood. Swami Sarvasthananji, Adyaksha of Ramakrishna Ashram Rajkot, Swami Atmadipananji, the Secretary of Ramakrishna Mission Vivekananda Nagar Porbandar, other dignitaries present here, and my very dear young friends coming from far off countries, 24 countries, all of you, whether from India or abroad, I extend a very hearty welcome to all of you on behalf of Ramakrishna Mission Vivekanand Memorial, Vadodara. It's a great privilege for us that this first international youth conference being organized by this Vadodara Center of Ramakrishna Mission is being inaugurated by Shri Nitin Bhai Patel, Honorable Minister of Finance and various other departments of Government of Gujarat. Apart from his biodata has been given in the booklet that has been given to you, you can see his biodata. He has been very actively involved in various service activities, but more so, he is a close friend of Ramakrishna Mission, and he has been helping us in various ways. Even when I was in Porbandar, we had a problem of land. There also he came to help us. Even now that he is in a good position in the government of Gujarat, we are getting very good help from the government of Gujarat. From him as well as from Bhagyesh Jha and from the whole of government of Gujarat, we are getting good help. And I take this opportunity of acknowledging and expressing our gratefulness for the government of Gujarat, who have given a grant of rupees 10 lakhs as for partially sponsoring this international youth conference. We also express our gratefulness to the government of Gujarat for giving an order of copies of the book Swami Vivekanand in Gujarat, a research work based on 22 years of research, and that book is going to be published very soon in Gujarati. Of course, afterwards in English from other center, but we will be publishing Gujarati book very shortly, for which the government of Gujarat has placed an order of 1 lakh copies. So in various ways the government of Gujarat has been helping. We are so happy that Shri Nitin Bhai is with us. In fact, we had lost hopes because 2 days back he telephoned me, Swamiji, I was wanting to come to you, I agreed also, but I have a program on 9th at Bhuj, and so it is a long distance, and so I think I will not be able to make it. I said, no, we will not allow you. He said, but it is not possible. I said, we will make it possible, and you reserve the ticket by train. So he has come by train this morning from Bhuj directly, and that is why how we are working. We are also grateful and thankful. We are extremely grateful to Swami Suhitananji Maharaj. We offer our humble pranams to him. You know, Ramakrishna Mission was started by Swami Vivekananda in 1897 in order to give a practical shape to his Guru Sri Ramakrishna of worshipping the divine in human beings. And there are so many service activities. We have 173 branches all over the world, out of which 134 are in India, 40 abroad in various countries, and all this whole administration is done by our headquarters situated in Bellumat near Kolkata, and Jivan Maharaj is the chief executive, the general secretary of the whole organization. You can understand the number of activities that he has to perform and how busy he is. In spite of his busy schedule, particularly in the context that Swami Vivekananda's 150th birth anniversary is being celebrated throughout the world, he is keeping very busy. In fact, tomorrow morning he will fly to Delhi. Yesterday only he has come. In spite of his busy schedule, he has found time to come to us. We are extremely grateful to us, and we extend a hearty welcome to Revered Swami Suhitananji Maharaj. We are very happy that Sri Balakrishna Shukla is with us today, the Member of Parliament. He is always with us, helping us, and I take this opportunity of acknowledging once again, we are building a lecture hall because we don't have a lecture hall at present, and so many programs we have to organize and we have to rent the hall. Now this problem will be solved because we are constructing a lecture hall which will be ready within 6 months, and that will be about 1 crore rupees is the cost of construction, out of which 25 lakhs of rupees has been received from Sri Balakrishna Shukla out of MP grant. We also take this opportunity of welcoming Sri Bhagyesh Bhai Jha, who is, I gave his designation, but that designation is not complete. The best introduction is he himself. Today afternoon he is going to talk to you, and then you will be able to understand why he is so popular among the youth as well as others. So we heartily welcome Sri Bhagyesh Bhai also. We also heartily welcome Pratapika Shuddhatma Prana, who has come all the way from America. In fact, she was here for a pilgrimage, and we took this opportunity of inviting her, and she kindly agreed and changed her plans and took the trouble. We are grateful to him. We give a hearty welcome to Shuddhatma Prana Mataji. We also heartily welcome Swami Sarvasthananji, who is very popular among the youth, also going various parts of India for giving lectures in universities. He is with us in spite of his busy schedule. We heartily welcome Swami Sarvasthananji also. And Swami Atmadipananji, who is the secretary of Porbandar Center, but he was here for many years, so many of you know him better than me. He is also with us on this occasion. We give a hearty welcome to Swami Atmadipananji also. You know, this center, Ramakrishna Mission Vivekananda Memorial Vadodara, is situated just opposite the circuit house near railway station, the historic Dilaram Bungalow, in which Swami Vivekananda himself stayed as the guest of the then Diwan Manibhai Jasbhai. In 1892, while he was traveling all over the country, was handed over by the government of Gujarat to Ramakrishna Mission on April 2005 for converting into a befitting memorial of Swami Vivekananda. So we are grateful to government of Gujarat for that. And many activities have been started. I extend a hearty welcome to all of you also, and I also invite you to please visit this center, which is very near from here also. It's a very short distance, and please visit it. There is a public library, book sale section, beautiful hall. People from all over India as well as abroad are coming to meditate there, and you will like it very much. So all of you, I extend a very hearty welcome. As you know that we are celebrating this conference is being organized as a part of the 150th birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda, and this is being celebrated all over the world. Many countries are celebrating, and I am very happy to tell you that Swami Vivekananda delivered his historic speech in the World Parliament of Religion in Chicago in 1893. That was 11th September. That was also 9/11, when he gave the message of harmony of religions. And because we did not accept the message of harmony of religions, there was another 9/11 after 108 years, and New York, the World Tower broke. We want no further 9/11 takes place. So that is why we are going to have another program on 9/11. On 11th September this year, same art institute where Swami Vivekananda spoke, we are